Guys, before we get started with this video, I hope you guys are doing well. Hope COVID's treating you guys well. And I hope every one of you guys, your family, is safe. With that being said, let's get started with this video. We're gonna be addressing the plugs on, not him, but the yellow, my car. We're gonna be addressing the spark plugs. Yeah, they were looking a little worn out. But I don't know if you guys can see this. We've got a new project for the channel. It's gonna be a long project. It's gonna be an extensive project, but I think it's gonna be fun. What we're gonna be doing today is we're gonna be changing out the plugs on the Spoon Sport car. So what you really want to do is get this cover off. It's held in by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 10 mil bolts, in which I have conveniently sitting right over here. And then these 4 bolts come out right out of here real quick. All right, so what it is these 1, 2, 3, 4 10 mil bolts that you got to get out. And then you have to find this little deal right here to pull all these up. And all you want to do is pull out and up. So I got to put my camera down real quick to get this out. While you have your cold packs out, what you want to do is actually get in here and make sure and see if there's anything down in there. Nope. 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 And it's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now all you're going to do is get your spark plug socket, get in there and pull it out. So what I find is that if you want to pull out the new spark plug from your new case, you just want to match it up with this one. You can either use a 14 mil or, in this case, a 9/16 spark plug socket. Now that you got all 4 of these out, you want to grab your new ones and put a little bit of anti-seize on these threads right here, just to make your life a little bit easier, because trying to get these out the first time, they're actually really hard. You really want to be very careful. Make sure to use a ratchet versus an impact, because you don't want to break anything inside of there, or you're going to have one bad time. Got all 4 of these coated with some anti-seize, and now we're just going to throw it back in. Once you have all your plugs in, run them in by hand, and then use a torque wrench set to 16 foot-pounds, and run them all in until you hear a click or a beep, depending on the type of torque wrench you have. Now that everything's torqued in place, now remember, you want to put back your cold packs exactly how you found them. Make sure to put it back in that little clip that we have back here with this right here. And all you gotta do, put your cover back on and turn on the car, but not in that way. Actually turn on with the key. Hey, yo, what time is it?
10:37.
10:37. I think it's more like Chevelle time, baby. What did we do today?
We bring in the old big girl right here. This is a new project.
New project for the channel, guys. So what we're gonna be doing is pretty much restoring this old girl back to his former glory days. As in, we're gonna be pulling the bumpers, fenders, everything off, polishing it up, all the chrome. We're gonna address the spider cracks, the crow's feet up on here, the rag top up on top, well, just the tarp right now. But for her age, for what, 49 years? About 49 years, this girl's gonna get some good loving, and I think it's gonna be amazing for the channel. But you gotta remember about this girl, all I can say is, wow, look how, for her age, 49 years, almost brand new. Heck, these tires are brand new. Pedro's dad actually put these tires on about 25 years ago. They've been sitting around, but they are really dry rotted, and we're gonna actually address that here soon. I have a little issues with the windows not lining up inside the track, but it's fine. You know, you have your little small details like about the gaskets and whatnot, trim, cracking. What's better than one Supra? Two. Hey! Is that Supra? Oh shit! Hey! Is that Supra?
Bro! Is that a Supra?
I think so.
Okay, no.